Today we will be painting this simple night sky using acrylic colors. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial by Ayush paper. I am Kuhu, an artist and illustrator. I work with both traditional and digital mediums. You can check out my website kuhushivpuri.com, which will be linked in the description box below. As paper matters the most, I am using 260 GSM acrylic book by Ayush paper. It has a lovely canvas-like texture which gives a nice touch to your paintings. Rest of the materials used will be mentioned in the description box below. I am starting by sketching a small hill which will be in the foreground. I have also primed my paper with gesso. It's an optional step which I would recommend to paint smooth backgrounds. Let's quickly mix two colors for the sky, light purple and light blue. Mixing colors beforehand can really help if you want to paint well-blended backgrounds. Coat your flat brush with light purple nicely by going back and forth a few times. Now paint this right above the small hill we sketched earlier. Cover half of the sky with this color. Now quickly, without washing the brush, coat it with the sky blue color. Apply the sky blue color right above the previous color and bring your brush down quickly yet gently to blend it with the purple color. You can always mist your colors with water using a spray bottle if your colors are drying out. Leave just a small portion on the top of the page for the darkest color. Now clean your brush and take a dark blue color and apply to the portion that we left earlier. Then take the light blue color and use it to blend the dark blue into the previous layer. Let's move on to the foreground now. Mix dark blue and tiny amount of black and fill in the small hill that we sketched earlier. You can also use pure black for this step, but it tends to be a little too stark sometimes. Adding a small amount of black to another dark color adds a lot of character to your paintings. Using your finger, spread the bristles of your brush, then drag the brush upwards from the hill to create grass. Using this method, you can paint the grass in less time rather than painting every strand individually. Let's add some details like flowers using a small brush. I am also adding some long individual grass blades. Now using an even smaller brush, we will paint the tree. I am painting the tree directly, but you can use a pencil to draw a sketch first. For this step, I am using a script liner brush. They are very thin and long, which makes them perfect to paint trees like this. While painting the tree, make sure the tree is thick at the bottom and gets thinner as you go upwards. Once the main trunk of the tree is done, I am going to add several smaller branches. Now you can leave this tree like this or add some leaves using a fan brush. If you don't have a fan brush, you can also just use the tip of your flat brush. If you have any art related queries, check out ask.ayushpaper.com, which is a wonderful community for the artist by the artist. I am using the cap of a paint tube to paint a circle, then filling it in with titanium white to paint the moon. Mix yellow and titanium white and using the dry brush technique, paint around the moon to add a glow. Using the tip of the brush, smooth the edges of the moon. Using titanium white, paint the stars. You can either use a small brush or the tip of a toothpick for this. Just paint some random dots all over the sky. Our painting is almost complete. Now let's peel off the tape. For the last step, I am just adding another layer of titanium white over the moon to make it extra bright. And with that, our painting is finally complete. If you painted along, then please tag us or DM us what you have made on Instagram at Ayush Paper. We would love to see your recreations. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and we will see you next time. Bye.